Hello, my name is Arhan. I am 10 years old and I am in year 6. I am interested in AI because the possibilities of what you can do with AI are endless. I want to thank my mentor, Mr. Ken, and the eCraft website for providing the blogs. I have the Rockstar badge for attentiveness. And my app is an adventure game where you avoid obstacles and attack enemies. The game also has 2 characters, one of which is my digital avatar, and there's one more character. How do you use the app? My app is an adventure game with pose recognition. The game says how to play if you press uh, X, or you can press C to directly start in case you've already heard the controls. The app uses pose recognition to move and speaking blocks to tell you how to play. In this course, I've learned 3 things about AI. One was face recognition, which this digital avatar uses. Second is pose recognition, and third is speech recognition. All of these are main features of AI, and speaking blocks are used for audio so it you can hear instead of reading. You can reach out to me at this email for any questions, concerns, suggestions on the app. So in my app, when you start it,
press C to play or X for instructions.
It asks you to either press C to play or X for the instructions.
Welcome to the game. Tilt your head right or left to move. Press space to jump and Z to attack. Use the arrow keys to pick your character. Do not touch red and enemies. Any red counts. Attack enemies and jump over red.
And now I can press C. Then I can move it by tilting my head. If I keep it straight, it stops. If I tilt in the other way, it can move that way. And also facing the direction it's moving in. See, if I'm going this way, it's facing this way. But then I can flip the character and then he's going this way. So these are enemies. If I touch them, it'll be game over.
Press C to play or X for instructions.
So I'm now.
Press C to play or X for instructions.
If I press Z, that happens for an attack, and then I can jump. So let's go. The enemy won't spawn until you go to the next one. So if I go right there, then I can attack it, and then I can carry on. Now I've reached to a higher stage.
Game over.
This is where red would come in, but the enemy spawned in, so I didn't get to show you. Give me a minute. Okay, now I'm back here. I've stopped the enemy. Now if I'd go here, I'd jump. I touch red. Now if I jump and I don't touch red, I can carry on. Now the enemies are there.
Game over.
And oops, I lost. So that's my app. And thank you for watching.